Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by ensuring your Seller Central access and product listings are clean. This matters because ads amplify what customers actually see. Once done, pick 1 to 3 priority SKUs and collect ASIN, high-res images, concise bullets, and backend keywords so your ads map to listing content. Next, set an initial budget, daily cap, and clear objective. Are you driving awareness or direct sales? Make sure to enable buy box eligibility and inventory. Without them, your ad clicks may not convert. You now construct the campaign architecture. Start parallel sponsored products for conversions, sponsored brands for brand visibility, and sponsored display for retargeting. Begin with automatic targeting to harvest search term data. Run it for 7 to 14 days to get statistically useful queries. Once you have winning terms, make manual campaigns using phrase and exact match to control bids and ROI. Also apply negative keywords to prune waste. Finally, set bid multipliers for placements and audiences to optimize spend without guessing. You finish by shifting from setup to continuous optimization. Review ACOs, ROAS, conversions, and search term reports every week to spot trends. When a campaign or ASIN performs, scale budgets incrementally and broaden keyword match types. When it underperforms, reduce bids or pause. Make sure to monitor inventory and listing quality because ads can drive traffic that fails without stock or a strong page. If results stall, check buy box status, listing suppression, and internal bid cannibalization. Fixing those usually restores performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.